Hello everyone, welcome to TSInfo YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will explain you what is the purpose of using len function in SharePoint Online calculated column. To implement len function in SharePoint Online list calculated column, open your SharePoint site with your Microsoft credentials. Open any one of your list. Here I was taking my employee details list. This employee details list has three columns, that is employee ID, employee first name and employee last name. Employee ID, it is the title column which I have renamed it to employee ID. Len function defines the length of a text string. It gives the output of a text string, which means the number of characters which is present in the text string. It also takes spaces as characters, also calculates number of spaces. Now I will show you how to calculate the length of employee first name by using len function in calculated column. So click on add column and select see all column types and click on next. In create column page, provide column name here for the calculated column. Here I have given column name as characters length and choose the data type as calculated. In the formula box of additional column settings, provide the formula as is equals to len open bracket and select the column name employee first name from the inside column box, add to formula and close the open bracket. Choose the data type returned from this formula as number and click on OK. Now we can see the calculated column characters length in the SharePoint list, calculating the length of the text string, that is employee's first name. When we edit something in the employee first name, then the character length also will change. Here for the first item of the employee details, the character length is 12. Now I will edit to make the changes in the character length. Click on edit in grid view. In the employee first name of first item, I was removing the name here and exit grid view. Now we can see the character length has been changed to 0. Similarly, it also includes spaces as characters in the character length. Now we will see for the second item of employee details. For the second item, it is showing the character length as 12 for the David Martin. Edit in grid view. In between the David, I was giving 2 spaces. Now exit in grid view. Now it will see 14 in characters length. This is about SharePoint Online list calculated column len function. For more videos on SharePoint Online, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.